everybody, welcome to my channel, and I am super excited because I'm finally back with another unboxing video. Here it is. The packaging is really cute and it's from Dolls Kill. The bag is just so cute. Look at this. So it's packaged in this box. Was sent to my house super fast. I got it in like 2 or 3 days, and now it is time to open it. I've been wanting these forever, so I'm so excited that I could finally get them. Okay, opening it up. Oh my gosh. I like how they put these rubber bands on it to keep it closed, but look at this. Super cute detailing. I hope they fit me. Okay, so the box came a little bent, but that's okay. That's why the box is here, to protect the shoes. Time to see what these babies look like. And it's off. Okay. Deep breath. I've been wanting these forever. Oh, they're individually packaged with their own little plastic and wrapping. I would say just the packaging is worth it, worth the money. They're nice and protected. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh. For some reason there's a little glitter on them, but that's okay. Wow. Okay, the stitching looks pretty nice. There's a few loose strings, very little, just that one right there. The platform looks pretty sturdy. I really hope these fit me. Okay, let's see. They have a zipper. Okay, and the zipper works really good. It even came with some cardboard to help these stay straight, which is super good packaging. Some stuffing in here too. Oh my gosh, they really do take care of their shoes. And this is my first order. Ooh, the inside is kind of like padded. Not like normal shoes, but it still feels very high quality. Well, overall, I like them. 10 out of 10. The metal parts, super sturdy. Don't look like they're gonna fall off or anything. The buckles are amazing. Super cute. The bottom of the shoe has some ridges so that you don't slip or anything. And they're super cute. Oh, but I did notice one thing. The stitching right here is a little weird. See, it's supposed to be all black, but it has a little of the foam popping out. But for me, it doesn't really bother me that much. I'm going to check out the other shoe right now. So this is the first one. I rate it 10 out of 10. It is amazing. Very high platform shoes. And my first pair that I owned, so it's amazing. Let me get the other shoe fast. They separate the shoes with another piece of cardboard. This shoe is packaged exactly the same, which I really appreciate the packaging. The little wrapping paper, super cute. Again, this insert, and more padding. Zipper works just as great as the first one. Same little loose end right here, but you know, it doesn't bother me. A little off on the stitching, but again, doesn't bother me. Same going on here, but a little less noticeable. From far, they look very great. I'm not sure if there is a little layer covering these little hearts, but they do look a little scratched. But it's not really a big deal. This one's a little more indented right there, see? But again, does not bother me. I still rate them 10 out of 10. Now, the moment of truth. Okay, I usually wear like a size 7 or 7.5, but I decided to order a size up just because I wasn't sure if they were going to fit. So now I get to see if that was the right decision to make. Even the glue around the shoe sole and everything looks really nice. Okay, now I'm going to try these babies on. Okay, you're just going to see my lower half right now. My cute little socks. Okay. Now, let's see. Who's back? Okay. Oh my god, they fit perfect. It was definitely a right choice. It was the right choice to go up in size. Ooh, my first time working in platforms was a little weird, but they are super comfortable and soft. And they match my outfits, so cute. And they make me so tall. Oh, that's my doggy Coco. Hey Coco, you like my shoes? Do you like my new shoes? Yep. She also gives it a 10 out of 10. They are a little loose when I walk, but better than being too small. And it also came with another paper that talks about making a return, and it gives you instructions to follow. And the return policy is if you don't like your items for any reason, if they don't fit or whatever, you can submit and return for store credit, but you need to return them within 30 days of receiving your order. And once again, overall, I rate these shoes 10 out of 10, and I definitely would buy them again. And I say if you're thinking about buying them, you should.